What's going on, everyone? The one, the only water cool full. My case is getting prepped for powder coating. They are going to strip it via a 50-gallon drum of paint stripper, or they might run it through the sandblaster that way to remove all the material from the previous powder coating, which was done by Case Labs. So I'm hoping to get some video about that. I was going to make a video about it, me bringing it in, introducing Brian, who's going to be doing the powder coating. However, the setting was very loud, and I don't think it would be a quality video to give to you guys. But anyway, I'm going to go through two products I got. Hopefully this video isn't too long. I'm going to be talking about the NZXT Grid Plus version 2, and I also got CableMod's a full cable replacement for your power supply. That would be for my Corsair 1200 AXI power supply. Alright, so I'm not going to show you all the cables. This is just going to be a little teaser until I get my case up and running. But here are the cables right here, and probably the orange should be a little darker. I know the light's probably setting that off, but it is heat shrinkless and it is quality in my opinion. Also, when you order these through Performance PCs, you also get what they call combs. And now what the combs do essentially is hold the cable in place, and you do that for X amount of months or whatever until they are quote unquote trained, and then from there you can remove these and your cables will stay in tidy and neat and all that good stuff. So I got two of the NZXT Grid Plus version 2. It can do up to 6 fans individually if you want. 30 watts for each channel. It is powered by a Molex connection, which is, there it is. Plugged in via this way, and you have a Molex. So that's all it is. So you have a Molex that's going to go here into your product. You're going to plug that in, right? And then you're going to take your USB 2.0. You're going to plug that into your header, and then you're going to plug in this USB B connector, and you're going to plug it in like so. And that's how the unit's going to work. You also will be able to control the fans via the CAM software, via your USB, and I actually asked a rep on the forum saying, hey, can I use two of these, together for my fans? And he said, yes, that shouldn't be a problem. So that's good. You will get 2 extensions right here for 2 of your fans. So you can hook up 2 fans via 1 fan header. And here's the other one right here. You also get some zip ties as well with the box. No reason to show that. I think it's kind of useless. And then you also get 3M dual lock. Essentially, it's like Velcro. Quality product here. And I am going to be running 2 of these, and I'm going to have an extension for 2 on each one, and that is going to bring the total of fans in my computer up to 22 fans, guys. So this thing should be able to take off, right? So the reason why I'm going to do 2 fans is, one, I'm going to do a push-pull configuration. Generally with the push-pull configuration, you can get better temperatures. Again, it depends on the rad. It may or may not help you out, but the reason why I'm doing this is so I can have my fans run at a lower RPM and still get good enough cooling to where I don't have to crank up the fans all the way unless I'm benching. Also, all the fans are getting replaced. They're going to be replaced with the Cougar fans that light up red but have an orange fan blade, so a kind of a translucent fan blade, and I think it looks good. In my opinion, it's going to make it really pop. So I ordered 8 of the Cougar 140 fans, and then all the rest are going to be 120 millimeter fans, and they're going to be push-pull configuration. all my radiators that I have. I'm going to be using these guys. I'm consolidating everything that was visible on the outside until the inside to make it clean. I'm also going to have all the drive bays that you see. They're going to be, except for the radiator, all of them are going to be filled up, and all of them are going to be black, except for my radiator mount and the two flames that I had by MNPC Tech, which were the billet aluminum, and then I had a little I guess crosshair, you want to call it. All those are going to be orange to powder coated. If anybody has any ideas or any quality products they would like to recommend me, please do so concerning on the appropriate wax for powder coating, because I've heard stories where people use the wrong wax and they end up essentially screwing up that powder coating job because it actually scratched the finish. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And as always, rate, comment, subscribe, click that like button. And remember, guys, you always have a great day. Bye.